The Znnam AGZ72909711 washer agitator plate offers a sturdy stainless steel wash surface paired with a reinforced plastic backing that feels built to handle years of heavy laundry loads. Its design delivers strong, even agitation that helps lift soil from fabrics without being overly harsh on everyday clothing. The included pulsator cap fits securely and prevents water and detergent from pooling in the center, which helps clothes circulate more freely. This assembly is engineered to match many popular top-loading models from major brands, making it a practical choice when the original washplate has worn out or cracked. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, and once installed, the washer typically runs smoother with less vibration and noise. Overall, this agitator plate and cap set offers a reliable, well-fitting replacement that restores washing performance and extends the useful life of compatible machines.